All right, so let's jump into it. So once you have your 17 rows worked up on your front panel, you're then going to find your center stitch. And you can do that by two separate ways. That's either counting all the stitches and dividing it by two, or you can use measuring tape and just measure it and find that center and put it in the stitch that is the closest or that measures us right to it. So once you have your center, you're then going to use a stitch marker, like I'm using this orange one here, and marking that center stitch. Now, it's really important where you put your center, and also a good tip is that you will never work into where your stitch marker is for this portion. So now you're going to start on the right side and begin by doing your double crochet. Start by chaining two and then double crochets once you attach or continue on. And what you're going to do is you don't work into that center, but up into the fourth stitch to the stitch marker right here. We're going to do a double crochet. Then in that third stitch, you're going to do a double crochet two together. So that's what I'm showing you here. So you're doing your double crochet, and then you bring it through, and then don't pull all the way through, and then go into the next one, and then double crochet all together. And into the last stitch, you're then going to work just a double crochet. And then what you're going to then do is turn your work. Do not chain anything and just continue a double crochet into that same stitch you just worked in. So here I am, double crochet into the exact same stitch. And then you're going to again do your double crochet two together into the two next to it. So here I am again using this to show you the two stitches. So we'll enter in, and we got one, and then into the next double crochet two together. And then you're just going to continue double crochets for the rest of the row until you get to the end, which then of course you will chain two, turn your work, and then continue double crochets down and continuing up into the fourth stitch. You'll do double crochet, then double crochet two together, double crochet, turn your work, work into that same stitch, double crochet two, double crochet, then double crochet two together, and continue double crochet. And you will work that for as long as you want your V, or as long as that also matches up to your back panel. So you will continue that for about 13 to 15 rows if you're doing the same pattern that I'm following. It's also good just to measure and count as you go, and also referring to the written pattern that is on my Etsy that you can order. That's also in the description below, so that you don't lose track of what you're doing. So here I am. I'm just going to kind of let it play in real time, and I will join in later to talk about what happens in the next tutorial when you attach your front and back panels together after the V-neck is done. So once you have worked all the rows you needed for your front panel, you will then have your 2 panels, your front and back. And a good tip I recommend, instead of saving it for the end, is weaving in all the ends once you tie off. So right here, I'm about to finish up this final row of my V-neck, and I recommend just, tying off, weaving the ends. And once you are done, you're going to match the front and back panels together, making sure that the pretty sides are facing in and the ugly side is facing out towards you, because you're going to then turn your work inside out. So it is then right side out, if that makes sense. So here I am attaching the top corners together using some stitch markers to make sure that it, one, it fits and it's correct, and then 2, where I will go so it's easier also to crochet everything together. And once everything is attached, I will then show you in the next tutorial how to attach the panels together. So thank you so much if you've been watching, and let me know what jersey you're making and what football team you'll be cheering on this fall season. But yeah, so here you go. You can kind of like see what the whole panel looks like when it's worked up. But thank you so much, and I hope to see you guys very soon.